Welcome, my name is Bailey Floyd, and today I'm going to be taking you through the steps on how to use the background eraser tool on Canva. Let's get started. So once you are in the Canva platform, we have already chosen a template, we've chosen the size, dimensions that we want to use. How do we erase the background? Well, Canva has released a really easy tool to help us with this. What you're going to do is you're going to select the image. If it's not a pre-existing image within the template, go ahead and upload your own. You can just come over here, hit upload, and then you're able to drag and drop into it. But for today's purposes, we're just going to use the one that's in here. Go ahead and close this. So you click on the image, and then you go up to here where it says Edit Image. Then we have the image selected. We'll hit Background Remover. And it is processing for a second, and then it will completely remove the background. So just the subjects in front and center will still be remaining. So what's really cool about this is once it's done, we're able to adjust the image, move it around, change the color of the background, and seamlessly fit these beautiful ladies into our design. So say we want to make them a little bigger, send it to the back. Now if we want the whole background to be a pink, if we want it to be a blue, she kind of looks like she's floating right here, so maybe lower her just a little bit. Move our text up. And it's literally as easy as that. Thank you guys for following along. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I have a bunch more Canva videos and design videos coming soon.